Hello everyone, this is Ankita, your maths teacher, and welcome to your maths class. Today we're gonna learn about subtraction using carrying over, like subtraction of 3-digit as well as subtraction of 2-digit number, the carryover part as well as without carrying over part. So without chit-chatting, let's get started. Subtraction with borrowing. Let's take these examples. Let's solve how to subtract with borrowing. We will take the first example. Let us subtract 25 minus 8. Let's subtract ones first. We know that 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will borrow 1 from the tens column. So 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. 15 means 1 tens, 5 ones. Now 8 can be subtracted from 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 and 1 is copied down. Hence, when we subtract 25 minus 8, we get 17. 17 means 1 tens, 7 ones. Let's take another example. Let's solve 64 minus 37. So students, let us find the difference between 64 minus 37. Let's solve ones first. 4 minus 7. Students, we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we will borrow 1 tens from 6 tens. So 6 becomes 5, and when we will borrow 1 tens, 4 becomes 14. 14 means 1 tens, 4 ones. Now we can subtract 7 from 14. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. When we subtract 64 minus 37, we get 27. 27 means 2 tens and 7 ones. Let's take another example. Let us subtract 34 minus 27. Let us find out the difference between 34 and 27. First, we will solve the ones column. 4 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we will borrow 1 tens from 3 tens. So 3 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 14. Now we can subtract 7 from 14 ones. 14 tens minus 7 ones is equal to 7. And 2 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 0. So the difference between 34 and 27 is equal to 7. Let us take one more example. Let us solve 97 minus 59. Students, let us solve ones first. 7 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 ones from 7 ones. We will now take 1 tens from 9 tens. So 9 tens, when 1 tens is taken, it becomes 8 tens. And when we have taken 1 tens, so 1 tens plus 7 ones is equal to 17. 17 means 1 tens, 7 ones. Now we can easily subtract 9 ones from 17 ones. So 17 ones minus 9 ones is equal to 8 ones. So we will now write 8. And 8 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 3. So what do we get? 97 minus 59 is equal to 38. 38 means 3 tens, 8 ones. I hope students you have understood subtraction with borrowing. Now we will do subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Same as you have done subtraction of 2-digit numbers without borrowing, the same way we will do subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Let us learn subtraction of 3-digit without borrowing. I have taken a 3-digit number 159. 159. 159 means 100, 5 tens, 9 ones. Now I will subtract 47. 47 means 4 tens, 7 ones. As well as I will subtract 112. 112 means 100, 1 tens and 2 ones. Let's solve ones first. 9 minus 7 is equal to 5. And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Let's solve tens. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's solve 100. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. So when we subtract 159 minus 47 minus 112, we get 3 as a difference. So when we subtract 159 minus 47 minus 112, we get 3 as a difference. Let's take another example. 192 minus 62. 192 means 100, 9 tens, 2 ones. And 62 means 6 tens and 2 ones. Let us find out the difference between 192 and 62. First we will solve the ones section. 2 minus 2. 2 ones minus 2 ones is equal to 0 ones. Let's solve tens column. 9 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 3 tens. Let's solve 100 column. 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. If nothing is there, we will consider it as 0. So students, the difference between 192 minus 62 is equal to 130. And 130 is equal to 100, 3 tens and 0 ones. I hope you all are understanding the difference, how we are taking without borrowing. Let us take 2 more examples. Let us find out the difference between 137 minus 23. Students, 137 means 100, 3 tens and 7 ones. 23 means 2 tens and 3 ones. Let us solve ones first. 7 ones minus 3 ones is equal to 4 ones. 3 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 1 tens. And 100 is copied down. as if nothing is there, it means 0. And 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So 137 minus 23 is equal to 114. 114 means 100, 1 tens, and 4 ones. Example number 4. What is the difference between 107 minus 104? 107 means 100, 0 tens, and 7 ones. 104 means 100, 0 tens, and 4 ones. Let us solve ones first. 7 ones minus 4 ones is equal to, yes, 3 ones. 0 tens, 0 ones is equal to 0 ones. And 100 minus 100 is equal to 0 So the difference between 107 and 104 is equal to 3. That is 3 ones. I hope you have understood the subtraction of 2-digit numbers with borrowing as well as subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. Now we will move forward to subtraction of 3-digit numbers without borrowing. So I will give you more questions from these topics. You try to solve all the exercises given to you, and next topic will be subtraction of 4-digit numbers, as well as there will be story sums. So till then, stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.